Fun fact, a classic pumpkin cookie contains 20 grams of carbs and about 15 grams of sugar, so that's not for me. Luckily today I've got the solution. I'm gonna show you how you can make delicious low-carb pumpkin cookies with just 3 grams of carbs and 1 gram of sugar coming naturally from the pumpkin puree. Let's start! So I've got all my ingredients laid out here, and we're gonna start by mixing the dry ingredients together. First, almond flour. Then coconut flour, some sugar-free sweetener, a pinch of salt, pumpkin pie spices, and baking powder. Give it a good mix. And set aside. Take another bowl for the liquid ingredients. Start with egg, pumpkin puree, vanilla, and melted coconut oil. Whisk. And now bring the liquid ingredient into the dry. Make a well in the center and pour. Stir everything together. So it's very moist at first, and after a few seconds or 1 minute, it's gonna come into a nice and soft pumpkin cookie dough. If you like, you can add some sugar-free chocolate chips in the mix, or keep it plain and add a cream cheese frosting at the end. Wait until the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how. Here we go. The cookie dough is ready. So line a cookie sheet with parchment paper, spray some olive oil at the top, and then take some of the cookie dough, about 1 tablespoon, release between your hands, and roll into a ball, like this. Slightly press on the baking sheet and repeat. You should get 12 cookies from this dough. So the best way to make cookies of same size that contain the same amount of carb is to always use a tablespoon to measure the amount you need per cookies. Now the cookies are ready to go in the oven. I preheated my oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cookie in the center rack of your oven like this and bake for about 12 to 15 minutes. So it's almost 15 minutes and you know that your pumpkin cookies are ready because look at the edge. It's perfectly golden brown. At this stage, the cookies are still very soft, so it's better if you wait 10 minutes on the baking sheet before you cool the cookies on a cooling rack. While the cookies are cooling down, prepare your frosting. You need some Greek yogurt, half a cup. You can also use cream cheese and butter. I will give you the link to my blog for the cream cheese frosting. A third cup of powdered erythritol, and half teaspoon of vanilla. So mix everything together until it's creamy and well combined. After 15 minutes, the cookies are fully cooled down and it's time for frosting. Take one cookie, make sure it's cold. Add a little bit of frosting on top, just swirl it around and place on a plate and repeat. So if you make this yogurt frosting, it's better that you keep your cookies in the fridge in an airtight container, so they stay up to 3-4 days in the fridge, or you can also freeze your cookies and you can keep them up to 3 months in the freezer. Did you know that a classic pumpkin cookie contains up to 15 grams of sugar and 22 grams of carbs? This one contains only 3 grams of carbs and 1 gram of sugar. And if you like, add a little pinch of cinnamon or pumpkin pie spices on top. So these are very soft, low-carb pumpkin cookies. Look at that texture. They are moist and flavorsome, full of pumpkin pie flavors with a delicious creamy frosting on top. Your low-carb pumpkin cookies are ready. They are very soft. They smell amazing, lots of pumpkin flavor, a bit of almond as well. They are so good. So they are very soft, full of pumpkin pie flavor, the perfect little snack for fall, with only 3 grams of net carb per cookie. So that's clearly my favorite fall treat. If you guys love this low carb recipe, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to my channel to see more keto low carb recipes.